Hi there, it's Jessie. I'm happy you found this video because that means you're interested in learning natural solutions using essential oils, and I have all kinds of ideas and things to teach you up my sleeve. So really quick, if you haven't yet, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. And then if you find this video helpful, would you please share it with someone or leave a comment? Because as we do this together, I need your help to spread the word about my YouTube channel. And the more people that hear about my YouTube channel, the more people I can help. But I need your help, okay? But right now, I'm gonna help you learn how to make a roller ball for cramps or Charley horses. So if you've ever experienced a cramp or a Charley horse, you know how uncomfortable and not fun they are. So my 94-year-old grandma is visiting us, and last night she got awful Charley horses in her calves. And so I really quick ran over and I grabbed my fractionated coconut oil. I always like to dilute essential oils when I can. It helps with absorption. Plus it helps if you have more sensitive skin. And my grandma's 94, so she's got like more fragile skin. So I grabbed my fractionated coconut oil and I put a couple drops of Aroma Touch in my hands, and then I just massaged it in her legs. And the oil that I used, did I mention that? I don't think I mentioned that. The oil that I used was Aroma Touch. Massage that in. And then once that started soaking in, I grabbed some of doTERRA's electrolytes. We have 2 flavors. It's called MetaPower Recharge. There are electrolytes, plus there's other fun stuff in these. We have a lemon lime flavor and a wild strawberry flavor. They're both delicious. And I quickly mixed up a glass of electrolytes for my grandma. She guzzled that, and she was feeling better in a remarkably fast time. Because if you've had these Charley horses, you know sometimes that they can last for a long time and how sore you can feel afterwards. My grandma shared that sometimes when she has these Charley horses, they will keep her up at night for at least an hour as she's trying to work through the Charley horse. So I'm going to make a roller ball for my grandma so that she can just have it on her whenever she needs it, rather than needing to run and grab fractionated coconut oil. And my grandma, again, she's 94, she's so sweet, she's 94, but just getting around, she's not quite as fast moving around, and so having a roller ball will be really handy for her. So if she gets a Charley horse, she can just rub that into her calf or wherever she has that Charley horse, and then she can massage it in some more, but she'll already have it diluted in a roller ball. If you haven't made your own roller balls, go get yourself some roller balls now and get some fractionated coconut oil, your doTERRA essential oils, and start making roller balls. They're so fun and easy and convenient and wonderful to have around and to give to other people and all the things. So you need to learn how to make roller balls. Just trust me, okay? So this is my roller ball that I'm gonna do for my grandma. I am going to put my general rule of thumb, and I err on the less is more side of things. In a 10 ml roller ball, I usually put 20 to 30 drops of essential oil total, general rule of thumb, and then I fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Easy peasy. I have a video that's going to pop up at the end that's going to share some of my favorite rollerball recipes. So if you want to, and there's a free download I have with that video. So if you want to go check that out, you're welcome to. Just stay till the end of the video and then that one will pop up. So what we're going to do is 30 drops of Aroma Touch. Aroma Touch is one of my all-time, I already lost track. Hold on, focus, Jessie. I think that's about 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. Fun fact, I used to be a high school math teacher, but things like counting, something like, I lose track so fast. I think we're at about 25. So that's why I just say around 20 to 30 drops. I think we're at about 30 now. I don't know. Well, there we go. Okay, then the rest of the way of fractionated coconut oil. If you can't see through your roller ball like this one, don't overfill. And I like using a pumper to fill my roller balls, and then just keep pumping it in until it's to the top. Add your roller ball, and voila, you're done. And then the key is you got to use it. If you make roller balls and then just tuck them away somewhere to gather dust, they're not going to do you any good. So you got to use them. Put them where you use them. So odds are my grandma's probably going to keep this roller ball next to her bed because that's where her Charley horses often happen. So put them where you use them, okay? So that's my tip for you today. If you aren't yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe, pretty please. And then if you aren't working with anyone yet in doTERRA and you're ready to get doTERRA essential oils, I would love to be that person to help you. So in the show notes, my contact info is there. You just have to scroll down a little bit. It's there. Please reach out. I'm happy to help. It'd be my just greatest honor. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Every Thursday, I'll release a new video. Bye.